there! Welcome to the Amazon 2.0. I'm Cherie, your friendly neighborhood biodome supervisor. Glad you came by. This is my buddy, Mr. Tips. Say hi, Mr. Tips. Before you ask, no, he's not a monkey. He's a panganog. That's an Avonian animal, FYI. He hangs out with me when I'm working here. So, let me tell you a little bit about this place. This biodome contains many of the very last surviving plant and animal species from the Amazon rainforest, kept in a rigorously monitored state of balance. One tiny mistake from an outside source, and blammo! Total extinction! Anyway, the biodomes were originally constructed about 50 years ago, way before the evacuation of Earth. My grandmother was actually part of the SEMA zoologists who— Mr. Tips, what do you have? No, Mr. Tips, that is a very, very bad panganog. Are you sorry? That's better. Anyway, like I said, I'm psyched about evacuees like you coming to help us care for our biodomes. If you need anything, just give a holler. I'm always around. Say welcome to the biodome, Mr. Tips.